Heard you could take us upriver.
50 grand's my price.
When can you take us?
When can I see the money?
Oh, man, is that all right?
Yeah, she may be ugly, but she puts out.
We're looking for the blood orchid. It holds the key to the fountain of youth, and it will make us rich.
Billionaires.
Yeah, Vivian.
Where have you been, huh?
We got less than a week to get to that orchid.
We don't tell River which way to go. She tells us. We got problems.
Everybody, hang on!
Holy.
Stop it. I swear to God if you don't stop it. Ben?
Holy bloody hell.
Anaconda.
Oh my God!
I'm not going in the jungle.
Do you have any idea how close we are?
Hurry up!
This expedition is over.
I can't let you turn back now.
You gotta be kidding me.
Anacondas. The hunt for the blood orchid. It's mating season.
So you tell me there's some snake orgy out in the jungle?
Yeah.
Trent is a player with big plans.
I want to be the boss. I want to be the man on top.
And one very big problem.
We had an agreement. I want my $20,000.
Now, the player
And you want my help?
What do you want me to do?
is about to get played.
You see these ladies? This is our consumer.
It's $1,000, right?
Our friendly neighborhood gigolo.
It could be any man's fantasy.
This is Trent. He's a new addition to our family.
You big pimpin', bro.
Except the reality
You're late.
is getting very dangerous.
Her husband came home. I could have died.
A debt is still a debt.
From the Trois series of steamy thrillers,
I'm in guest relations. It's kind of like customer service.
Trois, the Escort,